Hi, I'm Theo and I'm here with Milwaukee. Today we're walking through a professional distribution board installation showing how Milwaukee tools make every stage safer, faster and more accurate. We'll answer some of the most frequently asked questions about cabinet mounting and demonstrate how Milwaukee's innovative tools help professional tradespeople work more productively from start to finish. Before installation begins, precision is everything. So how do you quickly and accurately mark out strut fixing points for secure cabinet mounting? That's where the M12 Green Auto Alignment 360-degree 3-plane laser comes in. This all-in-one laser projects 1 horizontal and 2 vertical green lines, allowing you to easily align, level and square up large wall sections. The high-intensity green laser is up to 70% brighter than previous models, providing clear visibility even in bright environments. And with Milwaukee's auto alignment feature, the laser automatically pivots to your measurement marks when paired with the detector and remote, making it simple to mark out drilling points for strut in seconds. You'll get all-day runtime using the M12 4-amp-hour battery, and the IP54 rated housing ensures durability against dust and water on site. Once your marks are set, it's time to prepare the strut. So what is the safest and cleanest way to cut strut for cabinet installations? Milwaukee's M18 Force Logic strut shear is designed for fast, burr-free cuts on standard strut profiles, including 41 by 41 mm, 41 by 21 mm, and 41 by 22 mm. It delivers clean, square cuts every time and works with pre-galvanised and hot-dip galvanised strut up to 3 mm wall thickness. Each cut takes less than 5 seconds and you get up to 200 cuts per M18 5-amp-hour battery charge. The tool can be used on the ground or bench mounted, giving flexibility in tight or mobile setups. Next, we're drilling the mounting holes for the strut. A common issue during this stage is the drill bit binding, which can cause kickback and even injury if you're not prepared. So how do you prevent injury when drilling strut mounting holes? Milwaukee's M18 Fuel 4-mode 16mm SDS Plus hammer is built to tackle this challenge with confidence. It features auto-stop technology, which senses binding and instantly cuts power to protect your wrists and arms from sudden twist reactions. The anti-vibration system dramatically reduces vibration transferred to your hands, allowing for longer, more comfortable use. Combined with the anti-vibration side handle, this gives you full control when drilling into concrete, block or masonry. Delivering 1.7 joules of impact energy, this rotary hammer drills up to 58 holes, 10mm by 50mm, on a single M18 high-output 3-amp-hour battery. The tool includes 4 operation modes: rotary hammer, hammer only, rotation only, and chisel, giving you full versatility for multiple applications. During installation, efficiency matters. The M12 compact brushless impact driver is one of the best choices for fastening and pilot drilling during installations. It is extremely compact at only 109mm in length, delivering 124 Nm of torque. Weighing in at only 600 grams and with a driving speed of 3000 RPM, this impact driver is a lightweight and versatile choice for fastening fixings, drilling pilot holes, and working in tight spaces. The compact design gives you improved control, while the brushless motor delivers faster speeds and a longer runtime. Once your cabinet is mounted, the next step is to create clean, accurate holes for cable entry. So how do you make clean, accurate holes for cable entries without damaging the cabinet? Milwaukee's M18 Force Logic hydraulic knockout punch provides up to 60 kilonewtons of punching force in the most compact tool of its class. It's designed for quick, distortion-free holes up to 100mm in 3mm of mild steel or 2.5mm of stainless steel. The exact alignment system ensures each punch is perfectly positioned, while the quick connect setup and one-handed operation make it ideal for tight or elevated spaces. It's compatible with a wide range of punch and die sets, offering full flexibility for different knockout sizes. Cabinet installation requires precision and consistency at every stage, from marking out and drilling to punching and mounting. Milwaukee's range of tools, from the M12 laser to the M18 Force Logic knockout punch, are designed to help professionals work safer, faster and more accurately on every installation. Thank you very much for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more Milwaukee tool content.